I'm using my buddy Randy's profile to answer this question. How do you validate someone as being legitimate on LinkedIn before you start engaging with them, and most importantly, before you accept their LinkedIn invite to connect? Now, on Randy's profile, I'm going to give you a couple tips. This is he took some time to put an image here. Took some time to have a picture of him. It's not, some glamour shot, even though Randy's a very handsome dude, that they've copied off the internet. His name is, that name. You look at his headline. His headline is not a typical HR assigned title. You look at the number of mutual connections, even though this isn't the most important thing. If you have a fair number of mutual connections, then that's a testament that he's legitimate to me because he's connected to a bunch of my friends. You could go down here under more. You should go to more about this profile and see when was the profile created. Randy got on LinkedIn in the early days. Look and see has his contact or photo been updated. Come down here and look at his about section. Does he have a phone number and an email address in his about section? Is the website a legitimate website? Look and see what he's talking about here. Is he copy and pasting the website content or the website about section, or is he speaking clearly to his target audience? Does he have featured content? Does he have activity? Is it recent activity? Or is it activity that's only copied and pasted or reposted from the company page, if there is a company page? Go look at his experience. Does he have a legitimate company here? Does he have legitimate content here? Does he have only an HR assigned title, or has he written something a little bit more? Look at this. He's got media attached to his experience section where it shows his picture, and that picture sort of aligns with this picture. So it doesn't take a lot of time to look at these different areas of someone's LinkedIn profile to validate them as a real person before you accept their invite to connect, or you accept engaging with them through LinkedIn messaging or LinkedIn content. By the way, another way to validate is when they send you that LinkedIn invite. This is really important. Let me show you this. When they send you that LinkedIn invite, you want to respond back to them, either from here or go to see all, and you can message from this page and ask them, why do they want to connect? What is their purpose and goal before you accept that invite and before you start engaging with them? I'm Teddy, a LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I feel I'm pretty legitimate, and I hope this video is helpful for you.